Hello, today I am very excited to review this free sample by the brand, and it's a mat warming for food. So let me show you what it's included, which is the mat, the straps for storage, and obviously the plug. One thing that I want to mention is for extending the life of the mat, make sure you plug it in constantly and turn it on so it stays active. Obviously, you want to avoid bleaches or harsh chemicals on the mat. Just clean it with a mild soap, a little bit of not water, but like soap and on a wet rag. And you can remove oils and foods and stuff like that. Don't put it on glass, don't put it on wood, just put it on the counter or a kitchen island that can resist heat because this can get pretty hot. So this is for you to put your dishes and your food will stay warm, especially if you haven't finished all the dishes that you want to serve your family, your friends in the office, then this is a great help. This is a great thing to have, by the way. So obviously you have the on and off button, and this is automatic shutdown for 2 hours, 3 hours, and 4 hours. So that's all. This is how it looks on the bottom. It's made of like a rubber material, and be careful touching the surface because it can get very hot, and be careful with the children around. Make sure you put it where children don't touch it because they can get burned their fingers. Thank you for watching.